Hi, I'm back. I wanted to show you what I made with some of the pieces that I showed you during my bead organization video. There were a few pieces at the end that were repurposed that I went ahead and finished up, and I made a bunch of necklaces out of beads that I featured in the video. Starting off, got this. Was an Anne Klein necklace. I added that cool clasp to it. Maybe that actually came off of it. I don't even remember, to be honest with you. But I turned it from necklace into a bracelet. And I used some of the extra links to make earrings. And a pendant. Here you can see the sort of remnants of the connecting points to the other links, and I sanded that down so it's not sharp. So there we go. All right, the next one that I wanted to show you is this, which I'm in trouble. Okay, this one is made from a silver tone necklace and I guess it's more of a copper tone rhinestone bracelet and a dress clip. I took the works off the back of the dress clip. So I thought that turned out really cute. That one will, I'm sure, come up for sale. As will the Anne Klein. And the next repurposed piece that I had given you a little sneak peek of is this one made with a buckle, half of a buckle, and this beautiful chain that I got from repurposed statement necklace. Okay, and here's the back, so you can see where the buckle workings are. Put that up there. And it does lay flat. There we go. Okay, next I'm going to show you this one. This is this was the Pikake, P-I-K-A-K-E beads that I took from a necklace and a bracelet and combined them into a beautiful necklace that's much more wearable length for me. Let's see. Okay. Then I did this one. I made this out of probably check beads, vintage, that I had gotten at an estate sale. And I wanted to show you, hopefully you can see the colors in that bead. Looks a little bit like an avocado, but it's got a brighter green in the middle and sort of darker at the ends. At any rate, I thought that was nice. I love green, so there we go. That one has a lobster clasp. Okay. And this one, if if you watched my last video, you will have seen some of the process of making this. This is a very short video. And this one is, it's got green opals and pink opals and glass beads, and I just love the color combination there. And this one just goes over the head. There's no clasp on this one. And put it up. You can't see that. Let me try again. Here we go. Okay. I want you to actually be able to see it. And then the last piece that I made with those types of beads is this. I made a 3-strand necklace. This one that I made for myself. Various, mostly purple, mauve purple, dusty plum kind of colors. And they are also mainly check beads. And there are some beads, these little green ones that I used in between these lighter purple ones. I got those from a vintage necklace that I took apart and made several things with. And these beads, these beautiful purpley beads, came from a necklace as well. So, there we go. Now I have a couple of pieces that they might be gas. At least they might have been when they started off. There's the stamp. I wasn't able to find anything anywhere near any of this stuff online. However, that does look like the same mark that's on Guess jewelry that Cindy has been selling. So anyways, from here, I took they are brass and sterling. This one was a wallet chain. Okay, and this was a necklace. And I shortened the necklace and clipped everything together and put some dangles on it there with a scarab and a heart. It can, of course, be fastened at any length, and it's sort of, I'm thinking of it as sort of a more modern version of watch chain necklaces, since it came from a wallet chain. So that is the necklace. And then made myself a bracelet out of part of the chain that came off of the necklace. There we go. And I dangled a scarab locket from it. It's actually very cute. Let me try to put it on the bracelet mandrel so you can see it. Bear with me, please. Okay. Take this other one off. There we go. Okay. Okay. And there we go. I'm very, very pleased with that. I've been wearing it since I made it. Okay. And out of the last two little pieces from that necklace, I made some earrings. just going to put them on the earring stand. Okay. And I used charms that I've had in my collection to sell for quite some time, and I decided to use them as part of this little set. I have them on the thing backwards, so sorry about that. At any rate, I hope that you enjoyed seeing these pieces, and I'll be back with more videos, of course. Thanks for watching. Bye.